Hello, viewers. Today I'm going to teach you the way with the help of which you can convert rows into columns and columns into rows in any Excel file. Let's start. This is our required file which we want to convert rows that are different individuals obtaining different marks in different subjects and columns which represent the subject name of the subjects, and now we want to convert rows into columns and columns into rows. Just select the table, control C, copy, and then come to the place where we want to make conversion. Now press Ctrl Alt V, that is paste special. Now the paste special box has been opened, and please click on transpose the last one option and click on OK. Now you have successfully converted rows into columns and columns into rows. Thanks for watching my video.